Hi, Chris Albanese here, Director of Education for Real Estate Academy for Orlando. Today we're going to be looking at a math question. Specifically, we're looking at a loan to value ratio question. Now, this is a common type of question that you might get on the school test or even the state exam. Typically, loan to value ratio questions are generally not a difficult question once you know how to read through the question itself. Mainly, what we want to do is get rid of information that we do not need. A lot of times, when the questions are written, there's extra information that's written in there just to try to confuse the student. So let's first take a look at the question and see what information do we need, what information do we not need. So the question is, home was purchased with a down payment of $15,000, a loan of $250,000 at 5.5% interest for 30 years. Monthly payments are $1,419.02. What is the loan to value ratio? So we've got a lot of information here. They throw in a ton of numbers, and most of them we do not need. So let's start with figuring out what don't we need here. So the the down payment, we do need that information. The loan of $250,000, yes, we're going to need that as well. In fact, that's the only two numbers that we do need here. The 5.5% interest, not necessary for us. The 30-year, the term of the loan, we don't need that information either. And the monthly payment, $1,419.02, also extraneous information. The only two numbers that we actually need is the down payment and the loan amount. Now, if we take the down payment and we add that to the loan amount, what do you think we get? We get the full sale price of the house, or the value. So when we're doing a loan to value ratio question, we've got loan to value is LTV. Another way to look at that is L over V, loan to value. Loan amount divided by the value. So what we need to figure out here is loan amount. We already have that, $250,000. So we can put that number in right now, $250,000. Now the number we do need to figure out though is the value. So if we take our $15,000, which is our down payment, add that to our loan, that's going to equal $265,000. And that will be our value. So we take the $250,000 plus the $15,000 for the down payment, and we get $265,000. That is our full sale price, or the value of the property in this case. So $250,000 divided by $265,000. Now we take those numbers, top number divided by the bottom number there, $250,000 divided by $265,000. And we get an answer here of 0.94. So 0.94 is our loan to value here. I hope that answered your question for the loan to value. If you have any other questions, please visit us online, Real Estate Academy of Orlando, or send us an email, info@reaorlando.com. Again, Chris Albanese, Director of Education. Wish you well.